Okay, this is video footage of my navigation still trying to load. The time is 12:16. It is November 26th. I just picked up my car 5 minutes ago and the navigation is still not working correctly. They supposedly updated the software and repaired it, but the navigation function is doing the same thing that it did before I brought it into the shop. Okay, I'm just getting home from the Ford dealership. The time is 1:02 and the navigation is still spinning. If I click on any of the other options I have, they pop up. If I go to climate, it pops up, no problems. Go back to home. If I go to phone, it's gonna pop up, no problems. Go back to home. But if I try to click on navigation, I get nothing. I just get navigation loading, which is the same problem that I had before I took it in. So it appears this has not been resolved. Please, 5-star, resolve this issue. Thank you. So I'm driving along and the radio, nav, everything, the complete sync system just shuts off. And I didn't turn it off. I'm driving along. The message on the entertainment system says audio off. Pushing the button, nothing is happening. System is completely dead. Okay, so now the sync system is rebooting, and this is exactly what it's been doing over the last few months. This is why I took it into the shop in the first place. But supposedly they fixed it today. Okay, so it's going to reboot again. This is what it's been doing for, again, months now. At least since the summer. You're driving along and it just reboots. But supposedly today, they did a software update and did all of these wonderful things. And this situation was supposed to have been resolved. And it's still not resolved. 5-star Ford. So here we go for a second time. Within the last 5 minutes, the sync system is rebooting again. So it just keeps turning itself off. And then it will reboot itself. Which means that I can't use navigation. I can't use my radio. I can't use my touch controls for my heating and cooling. Can't receive phone calls through my car. And sync is rebooting once again.